in pro-
Hello, Matayom 2 students. Welcome to our second topic on this chapter 8, soil. Okay, now it's soil formation. I'm using this online PowerPoint because the original file is corrupted. Now you can watch this one over and over again by setting the translation into Thai. So this is now about soil formation. Okay. So what is soil formation? It is a product of climate, organisms, and topography acting on parent material over a period of time. Are you seeing the picture? There are five factors that affect the formation of soils, which are parent material, that is the texture, structure, chemical, and rock composition. And we have the climate. It's about the temperature and rain. And also topography and biotic. It means plants and animals. It means life of plants and animals because bio means life. And again, time. Now, you can check your science workbook if you have, but don't worry about that. The formation of soil happens over a very long period of time. It can take 1,000 years or more. Soil is formed from the withering of rocks and minerals. Withering breaks down the rocks into smaller pieces. Slowly, plants start to grow and attract small animals. These add organic matter, such as leaves, twigs, and dead insects and worms. Then the soil begins to form. Later, larger plants and animals will move in, adding more organic matter. Over years, a complex mixture of inorganic and organic materials is produced, making up the soil. Yeah. There are stages in the formation of soil. A. Rocks on the surface begin to fracture and break down. You see in the picture? B. As rocks wither into smaller fragments, plants begin to grow in the weathered rocks. You see this in the picture? Now, C. Worms, insects, bacteria, and fungi living among the plant roots add organic matter to the soil. And D. When plants and animals in the soil die, they break down or decay and form dark humus. Remember last time I talked about that if your great great grandparents die, they can be a part of the soil. So be careful. Right? Okay, now we have some amazing facts. It takes a minimum of 500 years to produce an inch of topsoil. Wow. And earthworms enrich topsoil with the waste they create as they eat the dead plants and animals. They also dig tunnels, loosening the soil for water and roots. Now let us watch this video so we can actually understand more. All right?
The creation of soil has taken millions of years, but for us to truly understand it, we must first look to its origins and find out exactly how it was formed. Fundamentally, soil is derived from bedrock. and it's the weathering and eroding of this bedrock that starts the process of soil formation. Over time, bare rock like these are exposed to the elements, with weather like wind and rain, heat and freeze thawing helping to break up the surface of the bedrock, fracturing it into many smaller pieces. Eventually, these pieces are broken up further and form the physical of soil. As you might imagine, almost nothing could grow on a pile of fractured rock like this. There are minerals present in the rock, but they're unavailable for the plants. And there's almost nothing to hold water, which is essential for life. This is where microscopic life comes in. Microbes and algae are able to utilise the minerals held in the rocks and start to grow in the little nooks and crevices. Most importantly, these tiny organisms fix nitrogen and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, leading to a build-up in organic material. And this process paves the way for another key group of organisms that are instrumental in the process of soil formation. These are the lichens. Lichen gets most of what it needs to survive from the atmosphere, hence its remarkable ability to survive in extreme locations. Lichen is formed from an incredible symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi, and it's these bizarre organisms that would have been the first to take advantage of the organic material left over by the microbes and algae. Not only can lichen survive without soil, but through the secretion of acid, it also chemically erodes the rock that it grows on, which frees up a wealth of beneficial nutrients. When the lichen dies, a small deposit of organic matter is left and gets trapped inside crevices within the rock. As more and more lichen grows and dies, this layer of organic matter, rich in nitrogen and essential minerals, builds up, allowing rooting plants a foothold in an otherwise inhospitable environment. This process is long and slow, typically taking 500 years for just 1 centimetre of topsoil to form. This old quarry is a great place to see soil formation in action, as it mimics the natural evolution of soil. Originally, there would have been a lot of bare rock like this, but over time, as the organic matter built up and up, it's led to the succession of larger and larger plants. As these die, they feed into the formation of more soil and allow a diverse range of plants to grow. Erosion is a huge issue in Britain. Since 1850, we've lost 84% of our fertile topsoil at a rate of around 2 centimetres a year. Soil degradation through current farming practices is currently costing our economy 1.2 billion a year, and there is a real danger of significant reductions in our farming yields in the coming decades if nothing is changed. These figures portray a rather gloomy picture of our soil situation. However, all is not lost. By truly understanding how soil interconnects with both the physical and biological worlds, we can start to work with the soil in harmony and manage it responsibly for both wildlife and future generations.
In progress.
Now for our conclusion, easy, right? So soil found in different areas has different characteristics. The factors that affect the formation of soil are one, parent materials, two, climate, three, topography, four, biotic, and the last one is time. I want you to go to page 154 and answer all the questions on Test Yourself 8.2. And then come to me and I will give you bonus points. Okay? Well, see you there. The next video.